On the vacant building, what determines if it's a vacant building or if it should or if it's an occupied building depends on how much of the building is vacant. So for a vacant building, they need to be vacant 60 to 100%. What's defined as vacant land is land with no development, no infrastructure, no existing occupied buildings, no events held on the property, and no operations being conducted, contemplated, or completed on the land. And there is no limit to the acreage size. We've done some really, really large, yes.
If there was, let's say, a barn or just a empty storage unit on the land, would that be okay?
That would be fine, because basically what we're looking for is just something that's not occupied. So if there's a barn or something that's not occupied, not being used, then that's fine. Actually, even if there's a barn that has, like, they're just storing hay or something in it, then that would be okay as well. We would just rate for that additional exposure on the GL side.